Good morning. This is the next day. It's a day two of cafe hopping. Um, I'm going to show you our next cafe, which is Chocolate de Baterol. Now, Chocolate de Baterol is inside Camp Janhay. It's right beside Gate 4 of Camp Janhay, I think. I decided to eat breakfast there with my parents, and they're open from 8 a.m. to 10, I think. So let me show you. It's outside aesthetic. Google schedule is not kind of reliable today because of the pandemic and everything has changed. We thought it opens at 8 a.m. but they changed it on the sign. It's 9 a.m. but Google says it's 8 a.m. That's why we woke up early just to eat here. Anyway, we're just gonna wait for it, and I'm gonna apologize to you guys. This footage might be a little shaky because I forgot my gimbal, and I'm gonna link my gears on the description box below and go check it out.
Get up.
Hi! So we just finished eating at Chocolate de Baterol. It was very delicious. It's one of my favorite cafes here in Baguio City. I tasted it like the last time I was here. So we ordered longganisa rice. Their breakfast meals comes with their chocolate, their signature chocolate drink. We also ordered their turon, their bibingka. Bibingka is very delicious. It's traditional bibingka made with rice flour. What did we order? Oh, suman, yeah. Suman is very nice if you want the sticky kind suman. It's really good. Their vegan meal, their vegan longganisa, which I ordered, is 250 pesos. And then the suman is 90 pesos. And then turon is 99. Turon is 3 pieces already. It's very good. It's one of my favorite. Their bibingka is 126. Their chocolate is one of the best. I actually like it better than the chocolateria. This one is much more smoother and much more chocolatey. One thing I should tell you is don't rely on Google schedule. It's not very reliable right now during the pandemic. The Chocolate de Baterol, their schedule is 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. We went there too early and we have to wait for 1 hour, but it's worth the wait, and their food is really great. I also love their ambience. It's very quiet, very peaceful. You can really just chill out and relax. So we are finally here at Hatch Coffee. We finally made it inside Hatch. We have to make a reservation. The first time we went here, they cannot accept us because we are too large a group. So the best way to go here is to make a reservation, and it's the top one in Google rating. Yeah, I'm gonna try out their food, their environment, their ambience is perfect. Like, it's very comfy, it's very peaceful, it's very Instagrammable vibe. So if you're in Baguio City, you have to check this out. I'm gonna link below their Facebook link or Facebook page, and you just have to message them if you want to make a reservation. It's so easy. You just have to message them to confirm your reservation. My dad ordered their dirty hot chata. It's one of their best sellers for hot drinks. I think it's shot of espresso and then some cinnamon, some spices. So this is what it looks like. I love their color of their cups. And then my mom ordered their black coffee. It's just plain black. I ordered their burger, one of their best seller, and then fries, and then their very best seller is the grilled cheese. They have two kinds, the OB grilled cheese and the original grilled cheese. The waiter recommended that I ordered the grilled cheese. So yeah, I can't wait to taste their food. Because I want to know the reason why it's top one. Is it just the ambience, the environment, or kasama yung food? So yeah. By the way, it's my first time na magpa-reserve sa restaurant. May name na ako.
Wow. Looks creamy. Looks like cappuccino.
Lasa. What does it taste like?
Better than cappuccino.
Anong meron?
I don't know how to describe kasi I have not tasted it before. Kaya you need to come here so that you'll know how is the taste and have the experience. Diba?
Okay, my dad doesn't know how to describe that taste, so I have to taste it. If you're baking, if you know the cookies of snickerdoodles, it smells like that. And it tastes like that. Yeah, it's very good. Ang sarap niya. Sarap nga niya. So my mom ordered their longanisa. It's kind of different. I think it's naked longanisa, if I'm not mistaken. It has an egg, a rice, and some salsa. And then I ordered their best seller, the grilled cheese. Let's see if it's stringy and if it's gooey and if it's... Oh, there's something inside. I think it's cured meat. Sarap. Hindi siya like yung plastic cheese that we can buy in the supermarket. It's authentic cheese. Like totoong cheese. Nice sauce. What's this? I don't know. It's sweet but meron siyang weird na taste. I prefer it without the sauce though. Look at their burger. Different, like smash yung beef. Let's taste it. This is their best seller.
Hindi mo kain. Hindi na bawal nga pala sa'yo, no?
Tignan natin yung meat talaga. may mga spices. Hindi siya pure beef. Meron siya may mga spices and yeah, I think their bestseller is really good. Masarap yung burger, pero mas gusto ko yung grilled cheese. Masarap siya. Kasarapan ng dirty hot sata, my dad decided to order another cup of dirty hot sata. Yan o, meron siyang latte art. So, Hatch Coffee is number 1 at Google ratings. Ang ratings niya is 4.8 with 46 comments. Their ambience, their environment is really very peaceful and nakaka-relax, and then their food, it's really very delicious. So if you're in Baguio, you have to check this out. And I think we're done with the cafes. I'm gonna do a review on what's the best cafe. Hi! So we're done with the cafes. Top 5 cafes here in Baguio City. I'm gonna tell you first kung anong ranking nila sa Google. So, top 1 is the Hatch Coffee. Ang ratings niya is 4.8 with 46 comments. And it's located near the famous weaving here in Baguio City. And then number 2 is Half Cup Coffee. Ang ratings niya sa Google is 4.7 with 50 comments. And it's located sa La Trinidad. It's near the Strawberry Farm. So, if you are in La Trinidad and you plan to visit Strawberry Farms, drop by the Half Cup Coffee. It's on the 4th floor of the building. I'm gonna link it below in the description box below kung saan sila located. They have delicious food and yung environment and ambience nila is very huge. It's great for huge groups and it's great for hangout too because it's very silent, very peaceful yung kanilang environment. And then number 3 for Google ratings is Chocolateria. It has a rating of 4.3 and 274 comments. Ngayon, Chocolateria is located below SM Baguio City. I think Pamana and Chocolateria is already combined because of the pandemic. It has a very gothic and romantic interior, black and white and gold, and it's great for pictures and Instagram if gusto mong ganun na setting. And yung food nila is alright. The chocolate, I don't want it, it's not my type. The food, we ordered the souffle pancake. I don't want it also because it's very mushy, and for me it's not freshly made. And then the 4th cafe for the Google rating is the Cafe by the Ruins. My 2 branch of Cafe by the Ruins here in Baguio City. It's Cafe by the Ruins and Cafe by the Ruins Dua. We went by the Cafe by the Ruins because it's located near the Burnham Lake and mas gusto ko yung ambience niya. It's one of my favorite cafes here in Baguio City. But when I first went there, it has a more country setting, country vibe, and parang mas laid back. Kasi ngayon, when we went there, I think they renovated because of a fire. And then yung space nila is lumiit. Although yung food nila is still one of the great cafes here in Baguio City. It's still one of my favorites here in Baguio City. It's located in front of the Baguio City Hall. I ordered the turon. It's one of my favorites in Cafe by the Ruins. And then their house iced tea. You have to order that if you plan to visit Cafe by the Ruins. It's one of their bestseller and it really is homemade. It's not powdered, it's homemade, and you have to stir it out because the sugar is on the bottom of the glass. Now, the 5th is Chocolate de Paterol. Chocolate de Paterol is located inside Compton Hay. I think it's beside Gate 4, Pactal in Compton Hay. We ate there for breakfast and Google said that they opened at 8 a.m. I have to warn you guys that Google's schedule right now is not very reliable. So you have to check on their Facebook page and check their real schedule. They changed it from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So we have to wait for an hour, but it's worth the wait. Their chocolate beats the chocolate drink of Chocolateria. The chocolate drink of Chocolate Paterol is one of the best. No, it's not one. It's the best here in Baguio City. It's not grainy, it's not bitter, it's not sweet, it's just in the middle. And then we ordered their bibingka also. Their bibingka is homemade, I can tell, because I also asked them that if it's made with flour or anything. They said na it's made with rice flour and yung authentic talaga made here in the Philippines. And then we ordered their, because we ate there for breakfast, we ordered their bestseller of breakfast dish, which is the longanisa. It said in the menu that it's vegan longanisa, but I really don't think it's vegan longanisa. I've tasted vegan longanisa, but it's not vegan, it's not garlicky. And then we ordered the turon. Yeah, turon in Chocolate de Baterol is the best. Parang at par sila ng Cafe by the Ruins. And we also ordered their suman. Yeah, my mom ordered the suman kasi yung suman is one of my mom's favorite. Medyo lang siya parang tutong. So if you're mas gusto mo ng matigas na tutong na rice, you should try the suman of Chocolate de Baterol. So that's the Google ratings. That's the sunod-sunod sa Google ratings ng cafe sa Google. I'm gonna tell you now what is my top one. Just top one of the cafes here in Baguio City. For me, for the ambience, for the food, it's the Hatch Coffee. Why? Although one of the, di naman mapangit, pero it's hard to get inside Hatch Coffee because of the reservation. You just can't walk in. I think you can do that if you are one or two person. But if you're a large group, you have to make a reservation because yung reservation is their priority. We ordered their bestseller, the burger and the cheese, grilled cheese. The grilled cheese is the best kasi they're not using yung square plastic that you can just buy at grocery store. They're using real authentic cheese and very, very great, very great. Meron nasa loob din ng grilled cheese, I just don't know what. I think it's onions or meat, I'm not sure. And then their burger patty is different. It's pure beef and they just smash it on the grill, I'm not sure, but it's very fresh. And then, oh yeah, their drink. We ordered the dirty hot sata. It's my favorite. I don't drink coffee. I just took a sip. Pero it's a different coffee. It tastes like snickerdoodles. If you're a baker or if you love cookies, you must have heard of snickerdoodles. And you're like drinking snickerdoodles. So yes, that's my top one. Although medyo expensive, siguro you'll shell out around 1,000 pesos if you are 3 groups or 2 to 3 person. You're gonna shell out 1,000 pesos. But if you're looking for the quiet ambience or peaceful ambience and then good food, they also have a great Wi-Fi here. You should check out Hatch Coffee. And I'm gonna link below yung kanilang Facebook page. You can make a reservation there, and easy lang. You just have to message them, and they will reply immediately. So I think that's it. I'm gonna close this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed me touring you around Baguio City. It's very sad because there's a lot of cafes and establishments that has closed because of the pandemic. Let's just hope and pray that they recover from the pandemic. So yeah, I'm gonna close this vlog. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want, you can like this video. The like button is down below, and give some love on the comment section